Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday today. And weather for 30th of May. Tomorrow is the last day of the last day of May. And our weather for today is about 14 degrees. So, mainit. Kanina pa ako nainitan sa taas sa aking garage or kids or whatever. And yeah, yun lang everyone. Day sa inyo ngayong umagang ito sa araw ng Biyernes. Friday, thank God it's Friday everyone. See you after 2 trains. Ay, sorry to. 2 trains. Ano ba nangyayari sa akin? See you after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus everyone. See you when I see you. May nakita ako malaking aso doon sa dulo. Nangangalkal ng mga basura yan eh. Malalaking oyster. Fox. Si Fox. Bye. See you when I see you, everyone. Time check. 5:17 everyone. Papunta na kami sa aking area again. So, find me. Walang magawa ang mga taong ito. Ayan lang, everyone. Ang park ng Imperial. See when I see everyone. Morning, everyone. Kain tayo. Breakfast tayo, everyone. Morning, everyone. Time check. 9:21. Yeah. Over me, everyone. So, dito ako sa Westminster platform. Oh, everyone. Take the train para walang traffic. That's the train. So, I'm going on the other side. Ayun. Yun, makasakay ako doon. Okay, see you everyone later.
Sometimes the only person.
Grabe everyone, thank you Lord at nakarating ako. 10:00 na. Daming stop. And then ano ko sa Jubilee line. Grabe. Daming waiting. Trouble, something like that. Kaya ayan, inabot na ako ng 10 10 tone 10. So, ayan na everyone. Ang weather ay super init. Super init. Ay, wala ano. Time check. Super hot. Hindi naman masyadong hot. Pero, yung araw ba? Grabe ang sikat ng araw. Ang ganda ng langit, oh. Diba? Matulog na lang tayo, everyone. Para makapag-charge. At, yun lang. Bye and see you. See you when I see you. See you when I see you, everyone. Magandang tanghali. 12:35 na po. Kain tayo, everyone. May mga tira-tira. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. 3:27. So, the weather for at the moment is 23 degrees. So, mainit po. Mainit. As in, mainit. So, need ng hangin. Yeah. Once in a while, may hangin. So, kaya, ito ang OOTD of the day. Ayan, everyone. See you later after 2 trains and 8 minutes to go. Bye at the moment, everyone. Tawid tayo ng mini pedestrian. Tapos, sa umaga, dito ako nagwe-way. Tapos sa hapon, dito, yan. May masalubong ako si... I'm already at the train, everyone. Doon yung bahay namin sa may toldam puti. Diba? Okay. And that's it, everyone. Mainit. Good day is Friday, everyone. So we're going to bangon ng ano, utok ko. Ayan, everyone. Dito na ako sa school. So, ay walang nag-klase. Walang nag-klase. Kasi early bird. It's raining. A bit tiny rain. Okay, bye. Look.
Bye, Vitas!
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Parang kinasta.
Sa Huwes. Magpa-party yun. Yeah. Ayan lang everyone. Maliwanag pero gabi na. Maliwanag pa pero gabi na everyone. And see you when I see you. Good evening everyone. Time check. Gabi na maliwanag. 20:55 everyone. Alas 9:30. Ayan na. ang sunset. Gabi na maliwanag. So, uwi na tayo everyone. At ako'y inaantok na everyone. And that's it everyone. See ya. Time check. 10 o'clock. Kain tayo everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all everyone.